Ever stared at a blank screen wondering how those viral YouTubers come up with perfect scripts every single time? Well, what if I told you there's an AI that can do 80% of that work for you in just minutes? What is up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write viral YouTube scripts using Poppy AI, one of the smartest AI tools I've tried for content creators. Whether you're doing tutorials, reviews, storytelling, or entertainment videos, this tool can help you generate hooks, structure ideas, and even match your tone and niche automatically. So if you're tired of spending hours writing scripts that don't hit, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to create viral level scripts fast, and I'll even show you how to get $25 off using my link below. Alright, let's jump in and I'll show you how it works. So once you're logged in inside Poppy, just simply need to click on the new board option here on the top left to create our board from scratch. Then just simply wait for it to load. So here on the left side, you'll see the navigation menu where you will see all of the tools available, as you can see. And the most important part of Poppy is this AI chat right here. So this is basically the control center of the whole board right here where we will put our prompts. So just simply click on the AI chat right here to open it up, or you could also click it right here on the left navigation menu. So I'm just going to click it right here, and this will pop up as you can see. And if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you just simply need to click on Control on your keyboard, then use your scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. And there's also an option right here if you want, but of course using a scroll wheel is easier. And you could also click and drag your mouse, as you can see, to move throughout the board right there. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up YouTube on a new tab, then just simply type in how to write viral YouTube scripts, just like this, and wait for it to load. And all of these videos will come up. And what you'd want to do now is just simply copy this link at the top, or this link for the whole page. So copy it and just simply paste it right here on our board. So as you can see, Poppy AI is actually processing everything that's in this page. So it's reading out the titles, it's reading out all of the videos right there. And this is what will help us create our script right here. And what we could also do to basically organize our stuff is there's a group option right here where this will pop up. So you can adjust this to your liking. But of course, you'll just simply put the elements inside of that so everything can become organized and stuff. So as you can see, it is now done reading out the website or the page that we have put. So what you want to do now is just simply connect this dot right here to the AI chat. And now that it is connected, you can now use it for generating our prompts. So now we can type in, give me the top 3 videos and the name of the creator, just like that. And just simply tap on enter on your keyboard or click on this arrow icon right here to enter our prompt, just like that. And Poppy AI is now processing the prompt that we just had. And as you can see, it is now right there. So I'm just going to simply resize this group right here so that I could fit more. And you could also make this full screen if you want by clicking on F on your keyboard, just like that. And there's also a button right there which you can use. And now the videos that is within the top 3 is this one. So let's try to find it right here. So it's this video. So I'm just going to open it in a new tab first. And I'm going to find the other one right here, which is this. So I'm just going to open it up also. And I'll also go with this one. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it right here. And let's see if it's right there. So it's this one. I'm just going to open it again.
Today we're talking about right.
And I'm just going to name the group right here. So if you want to rename it, just simply click on it. I'm going to name it top videos. Now I'm going to create another group and I'm just going to name it YouTube scripts or YouTube script, just like that. And I'm just going to resize this chat that we had earlier and I'll add another chat right here. But you could still use this one if you want, because you could also connect it right there. You could connect multiple elements in one single chat. But for me, I'm just going to use another one to make it more organized. So I'm just going to copy the links of these videos and I'm going to paste it right there. So the YouTube is now or I mean, Poppy is now transcribing the video and checking out everything. So I'm just going to put it right there. I'll expand this. Maybe I'll do it like that. And I'll also do this other one right here and paste it here. Put it inside of the group again. And also the last one, which is this. And I'm going to put it right here on the group. Once you have that, I'm now going to connect this group to the new AI chat that we have. I'm just going to move it right there. Now just simply generate a prompt that you want. So I'm going to ask, what are the common or what are the things in common among these videos? And what are the key insights on how to make a viral YouTube script? Just like that, and now I'll enter it. Then wait for Poppy AI to process things up. As you can see, it is now analyzing it. So these are the key insights and the common knowledge among these videos. So the psychology first approach, hook mastery, structured framework approach, and the key viral script insights. So as you can see, we have the content strategy. So study what's already working and adapt it to your niche. And we also have how formulas that work. And we also have the hook formulas that work. So as you can see, among the top videos that was suggested on our prompt earlier, we now have the key insights and the common knowledge on how to actually write a viral YouTube script. So let's say you want to make videos about AI prompting. So let's say I'm going to search AI prompting or AI prompt, just like so. And I'm going to copy the page right here. Or maybe I'm just going to get some videos. So maybe this one and also this one. Now what you want to do now is copy these videos and paste it right here, just like that. And I'm going to make a group which is named AI prompt script, just like so. And I'm going to move the videos right there. Now I'm just going to connect this AI prompt script group that we have on our AI chat. And I'm going to prompt the AI, let's say based on the videos, make me a viral, just like this. So I'm just simply going to enter the prompt and wait for it. And boom, as you can see, Poppy AI is now done generating the action just like that. So it's pretty long. So what you can do is just simply open it in full screen to basically see everything. So this is how we actually create a viral AI prompting script. So we have the hook, we have the shocking statement hook, credibility plus stakes, and all the other stuff. We have the body section. So we now have all of these insights or tips that we can actually use, which is based on the top videos that we have right there. So you could also go with websites. So you can paste websites right here. So as you can see, we have the website. You can add some text if you want, some images, which you could also connect to the AI chat. And we also have a voiceover right here. Let's say you want to start recording and you could say something about yourself. So let's say you can just record that saying you're new to this or just simply introducing yourself, which can help on customizing your experience or your chat with the AI right here, or to basically make it unique for you. And what's actually amazing is that you could also share this board right here to other people. So you can make the board public. So anyone with the link can edit this board, which is actually awesome. So you could copy this. You could send this to your co-creators. You could send this to your manager. And all of you can just basically brainstorm inside of the board right here. So every one of you can manage every part of the board, which is very convenient and can actually make everything more efficient. So you can add content from every social media. You can add a recording, an image, a text, annotations, websites, a mind map, and also a document. So Poppy AI will process through everything inside of that particular platform. So it will read out everything so that when you connect it to the AI chat right here, everything will be provided on whatever prompt or whatever action you are going to make. Just make sure that it is connected to the chat, just like that. So now let's check out the pricing right here. So we have the starter, creator, and power user, where the creator is the most popular one, which is best for creators. So you get tons of credits per month. And it also has everything in the starter plan right here. So the monthly plan is $99 per month, which is best for small creators. But if you really want to upgrade your workflow, I suggest to go with the creator plan right here. Or if you are a big time or viral creator, you can go with the power user right here, which has everything from the starter and creator and a bunch of other stuff right there. But if you haven't bought Poppy AI yet, feel free to use our affiliate link, which will give you a $25 discount on your purchase. So these are the pricing options. So first one is $399 a year, which is basically the starting one. And next is the $757 a year, which will give you Poppy AI and the VIP Live dedicated support. And for the last one, which is $997, which is a one-time payment, and it will give you a lifetime access. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, claim your $25 discount, and start using Poppy AI today. And that's basically it for this video, guys. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you on the next one.